Are you searching for top 5? So now you are in the right place for getting the valuable info on welding machines. In this video we shortlisted top 5 best welding machines on the market in 2021. We made this list based on our personal opinion. After perform our research based on their price, quality, durability and other related issue and we ranked them. If you want more information and mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Starting at number 1 is an 85-2 semi-automatic welding machine. The surface of the welding wire is smooth and flat, the wire feeding is smooth, and the welding wire is not stuck during welding. Easy to use, intelligent matching of current and voltage, novices can also weld easily. This MIG welding 3 gas welding options. 1. CO2 welding, 2. Mix welding and 3. FLUX welding, MIG gasless welding, with multiple welding function and welding mode. With large colorful digital screen, made the welding parameters more institutional. With unified function, it can one key to adjust the current, automatically match the wire feeding speed and welding voltage. Fit gas and gasless welding, stable welding wire, deep molten pool, small spatter.
For stick welding, you just flip the switch to the left and adjust the current on the knob. It goes up to 180 amps. I'm not really counting on doing any stick welding with this welder, but I decided to try it out anyway. This is 10mm steel plate and I'm using a 2.5mm electrode. It works very well. The electrode ignites easy without sticking and the welding arc is very stable. And now to TIG welding. You just flip the switch to the middle position and use the same knob to adjust the current. There's no gas valve in the machine. It's a manual operated valve on the TIG torch. You just connect it directly to the regulator on your shielding gas tank. The hose from the TIG torch fits into the hose that came with the machine, and then you just tighten it in place with one of the hose clamps. This works surprisingly well, it's not leaking. You always connect the TIG torch to the negative socket on the machine. I preset the gas flow on the tank regulator, and then I just use the valve on the TIG torch to shut the gas on and off before and after welding. I have a TIG welder with high frequency start, but this machine is with the lift TIG, which means that the tungsten electrode has to lightly touch the workpiece to ignite. That caused me some problems in the beginning. And I also tend to forget to turn on the gas before welding. But after a little bit of practice I got the hang of it. And I think it works quite alright. Of course it's way more convenient to use a dedicated TIG welder with high frequency start, where the electrode ignites and the gas comes on automatically when you push the button. But if you're only TIG welding occasionally, then I think this lift TIG system will be great for most people. Video. So why did I buy this machine when I have a MIG welder already? Well, I wanted a welder dedicated to aluminium, so I don't need to change the wire. Can I recommend this welder? Yes, I certainly can. I think you get a very good machine for a low price. I'm really looking forward to play around with this welder and get to know it better. And even though I'm struggling a little bit with the settings for welding stainless steel and with the flux core wire right now, I think it's just a matter of getting to know the machine. I'm really looking forward to see how this machine will be for aluminium welding after I have replaced the wire liner. I hope you enjoyed this video and found at least some of the information useful.
At number 3 is Hertz MIG 145 no gas gasless welding machine. Compatible with flux core, spot welding quickly. And it can aromatically feed wire without filling when pressed. MIG torch button. One-time molding, don't need to knob slag, don't need to polish. Its efficiency is 30% higher than transitional ARC. With unified control function, only has small splash. It can spot welding, make the spot point more sleek and firm. Easily adjust the current and voltage to welding.
Function welding machine. It integrates 5 functions: cut, TIG, MIG, code, MMA, to meet daily cutting and welding needs. An external air compressor is required, which can cut 3mm galvanized sheets quickly, with small cutting openings and nose-like inclusion. 8mm iron sheet cutting is stable, and the surface is smooth and flat without burrs. 1.5mm stainless steel spot welding, stable and uninterrupted arc starting, and the welding process is fuller with concentrated heat. Pulse welding of 3mm stainless steel improves work efficiency, with uniform solder joints and small deformation. FLUX MIG is suitable for outdoor thin plate welding, with form welding bead, no porosity and cracks. Mixed MIG is suitable for indoor welding of thick plates with beautiful appearance and no welding slag. 0.8mm stainless steel spot welding, no deformation or discoloration. Silver white surface without pores. 1.5mm stainless steel is welded quickly, with uniform solder joints and little thermal influence. The surface is smooth and the weld bead is flat. Manual welding is easy to start and keep arcing. It is suitable for welding with various welding rods of 2.5 and 3.2 specifications. It has the function of VRD anti-leakage protection, which is safer to use. 0 to 9 groups of storage channels, storing frequently used parameters for easy recall next time. You can easily take it away when you get out to work. ANDELI welding machine.
我们给大家配有2把枪，一把小一点的枪，我们是冷焊的时候用的；大一点的枪是焊铝的时候用的，焊不锈钢的时候啊。2把枪安装方法都是一样的。我们的枪上面有个接头，有个开关线，我们这个接头接在这个气垫一体接口上，然后这样拧上，拧紧，防止它漏气。这个开关线我们接在这个2芯接头上，然后插上去拧紧，防止它脱落。这个地心夹我们接在这个架号上，然后拧紧。这边这个孔我们就不用去管它。我们如何安装的话，另外一头我们安装在 压气表上这一头，我们直接拿气管直接插进去就可以了，这样就很牢固了，这样气管就连接好了。这有个蓝色的帽子，我们往下按，这样就把它拔出来了。亚武焊我们又分为直流亚武焊跟交流亚武焊。直流开始说起，上面这个灯量是我们电流调节，我们先设定前气为0，缓升为0，这是电流，我们现在不用动它。缓降我们调到0，接调到8通道就可以了。我们来看3个后头板。好，现在我们用低温电流调到110，低温时间0.2，后气2.5，清理带宽30，交流频率60，前气0。然后我们来焊1个后头板，快速点焊。来看一下我们这1个后头板啊。